2, 3, 4, and. Hello, what's going on, guys? So that's right, a rhythm pattern today. You saw a quick preview of the 6th exercise. So it's the same groove, but I'm teaching it in a layered way. So the first exercise is fairly simple, and then we build off of that. And I give troubleshooting tips in regards to counting, internalization, and much more. So this is what this channel is about. So if you want to subscribe and learn more, definitely take advantage of that and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. I also have a PDF with this. If you want, you can check that out and play along with me or just practice on your own time. The progression is 4 bars and we're working in A minor. Let's begin. All right, so first inversion, A minor. I have a lot of inversion videos, so you can check that out if you wish. And then for smooth voice leading, we are going to the next bar, and that is G major with first inversion again. Didn't plan on this, but it sounds good. And then we have F major, first inversion, followed by E major, G sharp, B, E, that's right. First inversion again, and that G sharp complements the A harmonic minor scale, and then we go back up. So now let's go ahead and iron out exercise 1, look at the bass line as well as the right hand. All right, so you can see on the screen, exercise 1, the first pattern, the easy layer. We can have the pedal down, by the way, every bar. We're gonna go ahead and have our hand position in the right hand. Our fingering is this, 1, 2, and 5. And then the left hand, I've showed this bass line before. It's a pretty popular bass line. The rhythm is 1 and 2, 3, rest. So this is what it looks like, the first exercise. And this is what it sounds like. Ready, try, and 2, 3, 4, and 4, and 4, and then repeat that so you get comfortable. And did you notice how I'm going 4 and? Really important to internalize those rests. A lot of newer learners, any age, when they see a rest, they don't internalize it and they might continue. All right, here we go. Exercise 2, spicing things up a little bit. I'm going to give you some good tips on how to internalize it. Right hand goes like this. 1 and 2 and. All right, so that dotted chord note, for those who don't know, not a big deal. Gets 1.5 beats in 4/4 time, and you're going to play on 1, and then you're going to play what we say on the and of 2. What sets us up is the left hand starts off with the 8th notes. So I'm going to go slowly and count out 8th notes. So I'm subdividing. 1 and 2 and 3. If you notice, playing together, 8th notes left hand, quarter, and then right after that I play 2 and. Now I'll demonstrate the whole thing. You can see it on the screen, and you just have to get used to that movement. That's why we want to get exercise 1 down first so we can get that movement without thinking about it. Here I go. Ready, go, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 3. See how my hands move for preparation? 2, 3, 4 and 3. Repeat it and, okay? So exercise 3, before I demonstrate everything, I want to go to beat 3, 16th notes. Yes. All right, so we have on the 16ths, I'm counting them as 3, E, and. Now that might look a little daunting, but you are simply playing the 3, E, and. And then right after that, the right hand takes over. So it sounds like this. All right, nice and even. 3, E, and, and you'll have the pedal down. Putting it all together is a different game, but we're under the microscope just looking at beat 3. So with the pedal, it sounds like this. I'll go 2, E, and then I begin. 2, E, and, 3, E, and, 4. All right, now I'll demonstrate the beginning of the phrase pretty slow. 1, 2, and 3, E, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, E, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, E, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, E. So if you're new to 16ths, you're going to just want to simplify it by just working on that beat. So you want to subdivide if you need to. You can go 1 and 2 E and 3 E and all right. Hopefully that helps. Really spend time on exercise 3 because we have some stuff going down later. All right, here we go. Exercise 4, which is a combination platter between 2 and 3. Hey, real quick, are you getting value out of this video? Could you please, it would help us out to hit that like button. It would reach other awesome people. All right, exercise 4, we are combining it between 2 and 3. So if you did not get 3 down yet, you might want to stay with 3. Here I go. I'm just going to demonstrate and then we'll talk about some possible problem areas. Slowly. Here I go. I'm going to count out the eighth notes like 3 and 4 in. 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 E, 4 E and 1, 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1, 2. 3 E and 4 E and. All right. So some students, by the way, when you're pedaling, it's every bar. If it gets way too muddy, if you're getting confused with the pedaling, stay out of it. Don't use the pedal yet. In fact, you might want to clean up and be honest with the rhythm. So I'm going to demonstrate without the pedal. Here I go. And no, I'm ready now. Ready and go. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3. And 1, 2 and 3 E and 2 and 3 E and all right. Hopefully that was helpful. By the way, one of the biggest things I've learned as an educator for 3 decades now is students get tied up with rhythm. You got to count out loud. You got to take your time. Rhythm is really important. That's what keeps the music flowing. It's a very important ingredient. All right, here we go. Exercise 5. I'm changing the right hand up a little bit. So we have this rhythm, 1 and 2 and 3 E and. That's right. So now we are playing the A minor version, and then we are going to bring it up here to play the second inversion up here. So you want to make sure you can get that down. Right hand rhythm only. I'll play first 2 bars. Go and 1, 2, 3 E and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 E and. All right, now I'll demonstrate exercise 5, both parts, and I'll slow it down. 3 and try, and 1 and 2 and 3 E, 4 and 1, 2, 3 E, 4 and 2, 3 E, 4 and 2, 3 E. If you're playing and you're getting confused easily, chances are we're playing but we don't know where the hand goes. So you really want to spend your time knowing that the goal is getting to that E. So we're here and then the thumb here. So take your time with that. And I know us teachers repeat ourselves, but it's really important. All right, we made it, exercise 6, and I'm sure if you're new to reading music, this might be daunting. If you can go back and understand exercise 1, spend time with that, that's great. Sometimes you might just want to watch and listen and get it down. I know there's a lot of dots on the page right now, so let me know if you're able to follow along, especially in exercise 5 and 6. If you look at 6, by the way, the change is near the end of each bar. We're playing right after beat 4, and it's smooth voice leading. So we have 3, 4, and 1. And then that pattern continues. And that's what I tried to do with this lesson, to give patterns and similarities so you can put things together. So I'm going to demonstrate it really slow so you can hear and see what's going on. Here I go. 3 and try. And 1, 2, 3 E, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 E and 4 E and 1, 2, 3 E, 4 and 1 and 2, 3 E and 4 E and I did add a dominant there because I wanted to. You don't have to do that. You can simply just play the root in there. So I'm going to give some tips here for 6. Even go slower, first of all. If you're with me and this is new, you can do it together. And then when that left hand is rolling, see what my right hand's doing? It's going up. Watch. Exercise 6, first bar. 1, 2, 3, E, and. So that left hand is playing, and there, and then I'm bringing it back down. 1, 2, 3, E, and 4. 1, 2, 3, E, and 1, 3, E, and then that sets us up to here. All right, here I go. I'm going to play exercise 6 a bit faster. You can play with me if you like, or you can go to exercise 1 or any of them and still play with me, because it's all the same structure in regards to progression and mostly the rhythm. Here I go. 6, 3, and trot, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 2, and 3, and 2, 2, and 1, 2, 2. All right, so let's master those chord inversions. That will really help us out with smooth voice leading, so you're gonna wanna check out this chord inversion video so you can keep improving. Till next time, please take care.